CCTV Lon Rashapi daga Frank Motors Kajaka dekali ga bathamai jong Tata Motors halat ko ni Shillong ringkat bakanet foodish Ordal mapi nginwan ramani hakir dobyeng jongpi
Menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng Bapek yaga Ministry of Education Dharmendra Pradhan haka sengisat jan jong tayo ka khat arterik bunai jemang arajar arpuar ulabu jingkeli Mano baong baka Sorkar India kan Pynlong Compulsory yaga ketin Hindi Dharmendra Pradhan ulabu yaga ni jingkeli haka jingekren bat kilat patai khubor hadin balawai ka convocation ba arpunyo jong skul ba nehu Shushu la ong ru ba omdai satia ban shupun priang yaki khubor lamler klem da yo ya jingtep ka batikna habaya tu bagari India ga de gari ga bakrup yaki jai ktien boper hapo gari uneu menteri ke Sorkar Pedeng ula ong ru ba ka ktien khasi garo jaintia Assamese Bengali Oriya Telugu Tamil Punjabi Marathi Gujarati lane Hindi But kiwi de kiktian hagari kidai kibala ito ukum ka national language. Ulaong ru badang haga singitho dieng ka arpo terik benai jemang arajar arpo haga jingya teria tai ya ka national education policy arajar arpo menteri rangbado kari Narendra Modi ula banjur ba baro kiktian kren boper jong ki jella hapo kari India kidai kibalong kentang bad kiba kongsan bha.
Government of India make Hindi compulsory. Show me a note. Show me a circular. Don't spread misinformation. Yesterday only, taking forward the policy envisioned in the National Education Policy 2020, Prime Minister, none else than Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, yesterday only re-emphasized. All the local languages of India are sacred and important. All the national language, all are national language, whether it is Khasi, whether it is Garo, whether it is Jaintia, whether it is Assamese, whether it is Bengali, whether it is Mishing, whether it is Oriya, whether it is Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, Marathi, Gujarati, or Hindi, all are national language. Nobody is imposing on any language on anybody. So I am a small public practitioner. I have to go by my Prime Minister's policy statement. This is the policy statement of Government of India. The Honorable Minister of Education raised this issue with me. We will find out some way. Because our primary responsibility is of 15 lakhs youngsters. Both Government of Meghalaya or Government of India, our responsibilities, 15 lakhs students, they are our primary responsibility. CUET is meant for Central University admission. Being a small state, Meghalaya, when some state adopted Central University status from their own state university, this kind of crisis came. But here in Meghalaya, this is a very old institution now, and Meghalaya come to existence nearly 50 years. Both of them are in the same age. Till now, the state-run college are affiliated to NEU. They will be continuing to be affiliated to NEU till state has their own system. My Chief Minister, my friend told me they are arranging something for state-owned, state-affiliated colleges. Till that, as long as state government of Meghalaya desire, they can continue to be affiliated to NEU, but they will not be part of CUET process in future also. Today is a good day for me. I came to Shillong yesterday night to participate in the 27th convocation of this prestigious university, Northeastern Hills University. Due to Corona, convocation could not have been organized for last 2 years. University organized this program today. I am happy to part of this convocation. This is a very old and prestigious institution. This is a nice coincidence. When country is celebrating 75th years of independence, Meghalaya is also celebrating the Golden Jubilee, the 50th year of its existence, its formation. In the second part of the day, we reviewed the education system of Meghalaya. On the onset, let me candidly compliment my dear good friend, Chief Minister of the Meghalaya, Mr. Konrad Sangma. I can see very soon Meghalaya is going to be the ideal state for the lot of governance unit of this country. They are very aggressive and they are very proactive in implementing national education policy. They are very innovative to create global citizens. They are very enthusiastic and focused to create 100% knowledge ecosystem for its future generation. Conventional teaching learning methodology, utilizing the local wisdom, which we call the Indian knowledge system, through its great heritage, through its great cultural background, through music, through sports, through craftsmanship, through textile, through painting, through horticulture, lot of things. Education has a primary role to create enlightenment in a citizen, and I can say Meghalaya is in the right track. We have allocated good amount of resource. Government of India will cooperate Meghalaya government in all the way. And today, in a important decision, important point came out of this journey. Till now, the central government institution like NEVU, IIM, NIT, NIFT, the medical institution, IHM, all are working in tandem. But henceforth, they will be part of the policy process. They will complement, they will be knowledge partner of Meghalaya government. Jointly we will work together. There are around 15 lakhs students starting from age group of 3, because in NEP from the age 3 the Bal Batika will start, the kindergarten will start. From 3 to 25, this is the usual year of teaching, learning, knowing the things in this age group. Our responsibility, whether it is Meghalaya government or government of India, we have to create a productive manpower for the future. I am happy today we have a good meeting.